bigger than you. It's not. One person can make a difference, and Rescue Mission of Salt Lake can show you how. Winter is here, yet over 500 people every night remain unsheltered in Utah, sleeping in parks, vacant lots, or wherever they can lay their head and find rest. It's that bigger than you. Now when Rescue Mission of Salt Lake is here to help. The journey of healing often begins with simple things: a meal, a good night's sleep, a warm greeting. Sponsor a meal for just over $1. Can make a difference. And Shane.
Hey, K-Cell, how you doing?